They are showing a letter. That is it's too much. You were showing, I think you are talking about, I was saying why this not Salasa. I saw Salasa 3, and the fire transition was a lot. You don't need that. You get, it's not, there's no need. You can use sound effects. If you're using CapCut, you use sound effects. So all this button down to transition to show the whatever you want to show. Number one. Number two is the sound you are using at the background. Make it very low. If possible, put it in 2% so that it will not overshadow your actual video. Are you taking note of that? تعرف ما ينتج من الشخص لازم تعرف الشخص نفسه لكي تعرف من تصاحب. أنا صاحب القناة أبو لطة وشفت وجهي هذا كفي عليه وشكرا. السلام عليكم. النقطة الثانية، نعم اسمي عبد اللطيف بعمر 20 سنة. أنا شخص بسيط مثلك، بس حبيت أفكر وأتأمل وأتكلم. I think the things I noticed is transition, too many transition, and the sound. I think those things, those are just those things. You are fine. You're confident in what you're saying because you know what you're saying, so you look confident. I wonder you say that there's a way you can do it, that instead of using transition, there's something you can use, and that's using key. What's the word? Why do I always forget? Let me search for it. I've forgotten what they call it. Hold on, let me go to my editing app. I'll just mention the name and you can go and research on it, so you can use that instead of the transition you were using. So there's how to the name of the distance is not coming, but I'm going to my CapCut now. Hold on. The CapCut is not even bringing it out for me to say the name for you. I'm seeing it, but I've forgotten the name. You use it to zoom in and zoom out. I've forgotten the name. Key something. Or is it key? Let me zoom in and zoom out. Zoom in. Zoom in, zoom out. Zoom in, CapCut. Keyframe. Go to YouTube and search for how to use keyframe in my video. How to use keyframe to zoom in and to zoom out. Just type how to use keyframe on the whatever app you're using. Oh, how to use keyframe in CapCut app. How to use keyframe in InShot app. Then that would actually be better than the transition. That will actually be better than transition. So keyframe is the word I'm looking for. Keyframe, yeah. You're welcome. Tell me why this video that is 8,000 views is making more money than a video in my other channel that has 31,000 views. I'm going to explain why that is, because this channel has 8,000 views and made $31. This channel has 31,000 views and made what? $12. I've not checked to confirm. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to watch my recent videos, and